Down one morning last July, from a Bowling Green came a sweet Colleen. She's mine, she passed me by. She looked so sweet from her to her thing, to the sheen of her nut brown hair. She had a good singer, but I shake myself to be sure I was really there. My onward spread, I shook me head, and I gave her the feeling rare. And I said to a passerby, who's a maid with a nut brown hair. He smiled on me in a bright city, she's a gem of Ireland's crown. Sweet Rosie McCann for the banks of the bench, she's a star that comes you down. From Etterby to the Derry Gate, from Galway to Dublin town. No maid I've seen in a grand Colleen did I maid that I comes you down. I travelled north, I travelled south, to the roving Caribbean. But fair and square I surrendered it to the charms of a Rose McCann. She'd had to let a lieutenant yet, did I meet with him Charlotte gown. So when she went and I asked her in from the south I come to down. Crossroads now I shall be there, and I dressed in my Sunday coat. And a dry ship sign, the little ring lies on the head of a nut brown rose. No bubble smoke, no horse on the own, though my prow is a rust colour brown. To the smiling bride with my own fast out to the thought I come to down. From Etterby to the